Alaikum. I am Adil Ahmed from Wisdom English Language and Computer Academy. Today my job is to interview some of our students. So be with us, don't go anywhere. Hello little master, how are you?
Fine, and you?
I am fine, also fine. Thank you. And what is your full name?
My full name is Muhammad Abidullah Khan.
What can I call you?
You can call me Abid.
Nice. Who gave you your name?
My grandfather gave my name.
Nice. Do you like your name?
Yes, I like my name because it is a very beautiful name. It is a Islamic name.
Do you work or are you a student?
No, I do not work. I am a student.
Are you a school student?
Yes, I am a school student.
Brilliant. What is your school name?
My school name is IBS School System.
MashaAllah. Where is your school located?
My school located Nasir Bagh Road.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 4.
Very good. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Sir Hikmat.
Very good. And who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ali because he is intelligent in class.
Okay. What do you want to become in the future?
I want to become cricketer in the future.
Thank you. Very nice.
Hello, Assalam Alaikum. I am Ikra and today I am going to interview my classmates. So let's start. Hello dear, come here. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Aiza Kazi.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Fasil Hayat.
What is your school name?
My school name is APS Zamzaba Junior.
What class do you read?
I read Prep Orange.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Teacher Aisha.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Zarish.
What fruit do you like?
I like fruit banana.
What is the color of banana?
Banana color is yellow.
How many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
How many sisters do you have?
I have 2 sisters.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is playing game.
What is your nationality?
My nationality is Pakistan.
What is your mother tongue?
My mother tongue is Pashto.
What is your religion?
My religion is Islam.
What is your great ambition?
My great ambition is to become a dog.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is hockey.
Thank you for your time, Miss Aiza. Welcome, bye. Thank you for watching us and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alaikum everyone. Welcome to Wisdom English Academy. This is me, Hikmat Hashimi. Today I'm going to practice some speaking questions with some of our students. So let's start. Hello, Assalamu Alaikum.
Hello, Alaikum Assalam.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm also fine, thank you very much. Okay, do you have time for a couple of questions?
Yes, I do.
Great. What is your full name?
My full name is Jalwa Babar Sarwar.
Great. What can I call you?
You can call me Jalwa.
Great. Okay, Jalwa, how old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Great. Okay, Jalwa, where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Great. Which part of Pakistan are you from?
I'm from Karak.
Great. In Jalwa, where do you live currently?
I currently live in Lalazar Colony.
So how long have you been living in Lalazar Colony?
I have been living here for 6 years.
Jalwa, what is your educational background?
I am school student and I read in class 4th.
Okay, great. Okay, Jalwa, which position do you have in the class?
I have second position in my class.
Okay, dear Jalwa, who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ikra.
Great. Okay, Jalwa, do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 4 siblings.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Okay, what are their names?
My sister names are Maria and Maimuna, and my brother names are Inam and Ehram.
Okay, great. Which number are you?
I am second in line.
Okay, Jalwa, what's your future planning? What's your great ambition?
My future plan is that I want to become an army doctor.
You want to become an army doctor. Okay, and Jalwa, do you like sports?
Yes, I like sport.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Your favorite sport is football. Okay, Jalwa, do you go to English class?
Yes, I do.
What time do you go to English class?
I go to my English class at 3 o'clock.
Okay, and what's your English Academy name?
My English Academy name is Wisdom English Academy.
Okay, and who is your teacher?
My teacher is Sir Hikmat.
Okay, do you like your teacher?
Yes, I like my teacher
Why do you like your teacher?
because he is hardworking and he is funny. He is like my brother.
Okay, thank you very much, Jalwa, for your time. Have a good. Assalamu Alaikum, everyone. Welcome to Wisdom English Academy. I'm Hikmatullah. Today we are going to have some speaking practice with some of our students. So let's start. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good. What's your name?
My name is Ikra.
Good. Ikra, how old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
Good. You are 10 years old.
Yes.
Okay, good. And Ikra, where are you from basically?
Basically, I am from Peshawar.
Good. And where did you grow up?
I grew up at a town called Slalazar.
Okay, you grew up in a town called
Lalazar.
Okay, good. And where do you live nowadays?
Now I live in Lalazar colony.
You live in Lalazar colony. Okay. Ikra, are you a teacher?
No, I am not a teacher.
You're not a teacher.
Yes.
Okay. And what do you do?
I am a school student.
You are
School
a school student. Very good. Okay, Ikra, are you foodie? Like, do you like food?
Yes, I am a huge foodie.
You are a huge foodie. Okay, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
Okay, good. Okay, Ikra, are you a lazy person?
Sometimes I can be.
Sometimes you can be, not always.
No.
Okay. Ikra, do you have any siblings?
No, I am not siblings.
Okay. And are you a friendly person or a serious person?
Yes, I am very friendly person.
You are very friendly. Good. And what are your hobbies?
My hobbies includes eating foods, spending a lot of time with my family and friends.
What about cartoon? Do you watch cartoons sometimes?
Yes, I watch.
Okay, what's your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon is Henry.
Okay, great, great. Okay, Ikra, are you a cricket fan?
Yes, I am a cricket fan.
Okay, like do you play cricket sometimes?
Yes, I play.
Where do you play cricket?
I play at my home.
At my home, okay. That's right, thank you. Okay, and Ikra, when was the last time you cried? Do you remember?
Yes, I remember.
So when was the last time you cried?
The last time was yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yes.
Where? At home, school?
At school.
At school, okay, good. Okay, Ikra, what did you eat in breakfast today?
Today I eat butter toast with tea.
Okay, good. And Ikra, what time do you usually get up?
Usually I get up at 7 o'clock.
At 7 o'clock, okay. And what time do you usually go to bed?
Usually I go to bed sometimes 10 o'clock, sometimes 11 o'clock.
Okay. Sometimes you go at 10 o'clock and sometimes you go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay, Ikra, what is your favorite season of the year?
My favorite season of the year is spring.
Spring. You like spring. Okay, good. Okay, Ikra, do you have any regrets or do you have many regrets?
I wouldn't say so, no.
No.
Yes.
You don't have any regrets?
No.
MashaAllah, good. Okay, so what sports can you play?
I can play football, tennis, cricket.
MashaAllah, you can play football, tennis, cricket. What is your great ambition?
My great ambition to become a successful doctor.
Your great ambition is to become
A successful doctor.
Okay, Ikra, who is your best friend?
My best friends are Adan and Yusra.
Okay, you have two best friends.
Yes.
Okay, they are your school friends or no, they are your cousins, what?
No, they are my school friends.
They are your school. They are your classmates.
Yes.
Adan and Yusra are your classmates.
Yes, they are my
Okay,
classmates.
Good. And in which class do you read?
I read in class 4.
You read in class 4. Okay, what's your favorite subject at school?
My favorite subject is science and English.
Okay, why do you like science and English?
Because science is very practical subject, and because English, I love to speak English, write English, learn English, and it is an international language.
Okay, that's why you like English. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, Ikra, what is your last message to your friends and viewers?
My last message is that do not waste your time. Study hard, work hard, that you will become a successful person
in the future. Okay, thank you very much for your time.
Thank
Have
you.
a good day.